These abandoned AI videos are generating millions of views by tapping into a specific psychological trigger. Take a look at this. A single video in this niche pulled in 144 million views. Let's say with minimum $0.5 RPM, that creator likely walked away with over $72,000 from one single upload. I decided to put this to the test myself, and my very first experimental video gained traction faster than any channel I've ever started. In today's tutorial, I am going to give you the exact step-by-step blueprint. I'll show you how to build these hyper-realistic abandoned scenes using all free tools, how to trick the human brain into thinking they are real, and the specific structure that forces the algorithm to push your content. Stick around, because if you skip even one step, your video will look like a cheap cartoon and get stuck at 300 views. But if you follow this guide, you'll have a viral-ready asset idea by the end of this video. Why the abandoned niche is exploding. Before we touch the tools, you have to understand the why. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram are currently flooded with over-filtered, fake-looking content. People are craving something raw. When a viewer scrolls past a decaying theme park or a forgotten mall that looks real, their brain actually freezes for a second. They stop, zoom in, and ask, "Is this a real place?" That moment of confusion is your viral hook. Whether it is decayed animatronics or empty movie sets, the goal is to make the viewer feel like they've discovered a lost documentary clip. No voiceover or art skills required, just atmosphere. To win in this niche, you must follow 3 golden rules. 1. Realism over beauty. If it looks too perfect, it's a fail. 2. Logic matters. The scene must make sense. If a tree is growing out of a car, the lighting on both must match perfectly. 3. The addiction to motion. Static images are dead. The human brain needs movement to stay engaged. Before we dive into the creation process, if you find this breakdown helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It helps me create more deep dives into these hidden niches for you. Step 1. Generating the perfect image base. To start, we need a high-quality reference. Find a popular video in this niche and take a screenshot of a frame you like. Go to Google Gemini and select the Nano Banana model. This tool is incredible and, best of all, it is 100% free. I have created a specific resource document for you in the description below. Grab the master prompt from there. Upload your screenshot to Nano Banana. Paste the prompt, but change the bracketed section to whatever you want. For example, you can tell it to change a stray cat to a golden retriever. If the AI adds unwanted buttons or find related content tabs, simply type "remove the UI elements" and it will clean it up instantly. You can even ask it to add specific details like add broken toys on the floor to increase the realism. Pro tip: don't just make one image. To make this feel like a movie, ask Nano Banana for the same scene from a side angle and a close-up detail shot. Now you have a professional storyboard. Step 2. Bringing the scene to life. Now we need to turn those stills into living footage using an AI tool called Google Flow. Start a new project and upload your image, and then choose vertical format. Select the frame to video option. In the prompt box, do not describe the character. Instead, describe the camera and environment. Use phrases like slow zoom in, shifting shadows, floating dust particles, or brighten the sunlight rays. By animating the space around the object rather than the object itself, you maintain that found footage realism that goes viral. Step 3. The atmospheric edit. Most creators fail because they upload the raw AI output. We are going to use CapCut to make it look professional. AI images are often too clean. Lower the temperature to make it feel cold, crush the shadows for a moody look, and add a vignette to create a sense of unease. Apply a mist or fog effect. This subtle movement tells the viewer's brain they are watching a cinematic experience, not a computer-generated file. In less than 5 minutes, you've transformed a simple idea into a high-revenue viral video. I hope you enjoyed this breakdown. You can see the final result of the video I just created on the screen right now. If you have any questions about the prompts or the tools, drop them in the comments. I personally read and answer as many as I can. If you want to master the art of YouTube automation from zero to hero, click on this exclusive playlist right here. It contains my full step-by-step roadmap to help you start your journey from scratch today. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next tutorial.